In 1945, as World War II was ending, a young soldier named Thomas wrote a letter to his fiancée, Emily, promising he'd return home. The letter never reached her. It was lost somewhere in the ruins of London during an air raid. 80 years later, in 2025, a construction worker renovating an old apartment building uncovered a rusted tin box hidden behind a brick wall. Inside was Thomas's unopened letter, perfectly preserved, sealed with a faded wax stamp. The worker shared the discovery on social media. Within days, the post went viral. Amateur historians, genealogists, and AI hobbyists joined forces online to trace the identities of Thomas and Emily. Using facial recognition from an old photo archive and modern genealogy databases, they found Emily's granddaughter, living just 20 kilometers away. She opened the letter on live stream. Thomas's words read, "If this letter ever reaches you, it means I didn't make it home. But I want you to know, love outlives war." The internet fell silent for a moment, then flooded with comments. He finally made it home. That night, viewers began sharing stories of their grandparents' letters, diaries, and photos. Museums and schools launched a digital project, Echoes of 1945, to preserve lost personal messages using AI restoration tools. A forgotten love letter had reignited the world's empathy and bridged 80 years in one viral post. Presented by InspireX, sharing stories that inspire, connect, and remind us what it means to be human. Subscribe for more meaningful content.